Debian is one of the grandfathers of Linux and is a distribution that other distributions base themselves on. Suitability for new users to Linux is questionable as there is a fair amount of setup required that isn't necessary for other distributions.
Installation is satisfactory, albeit a little bit convoluted in places. Great for tinkerers and system admins, not so great for the average Joe. During installation you do get to choose whether to install default Debian applications and which desktop environment to install. The choice of apps depends on the choice of desktop chosen.
Hardware support is not necessarily straightforward. Wi-Fi doesn't necessarily work as standard. It depends how modern your device is and which kernel Debian is using. Bluetooth is very hit and miss. Printers, however, seem to work quite well.
The software manager differs depending on desktop environment. Flatpaks are not enabled by default, and so installing goodies such as Chrome, Spotify, and Steam takes more effort than it does for Mint or Pop.
Debian isn't really for new users or non-techies. Ratings for a new Linux user or a non-techie: 3 out of 5 for installation, 5 out of 5 for performance, 3 out of 5 for hardware support, 4 out of 5 for default packages, 3 out of 5 for package installation, 3 out of 5 for ease of use, overall 21 out of 30.